Good morning. For today's hamster combat, daily cipher and daily combo and puzzle solve. But before, please subscribe, like and follow and share. Thank you. For daily cipher is take the prize 1 million coins. For daily combo is go to PR team, hanapin si two-factor authentication. Ito po. Yan, go ahead. Yun, no? And punta ka sa markets. Hanapin si Web3. Sa baba lang yan. Hanapin mo lang yan, no? Web3. Okay? Go ahead. Then, special. Na, new cards. Hanapin si collection of vintage card. Ito po siya. Yan. Go ahead. Yun, no? Take the prize, 5 million coins. Yan po ang ating daily combo. Tandaan po ninyo. And mini games, puzzle. 1 minute time. Let's go. Let's go.